How to fix Reddit app not working, Reddit app down problem. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix this problem. If you guys facing this problem in Reddit app, it's not opening guys. When you searching here guys Reddit app, and when you guys here clicking the try button option, it's not working, it's not opening. So you can see here guys, this problem will be facing. If you have this problem, then guys how you can fix this problem, in this video I will show you. So guys, Reddit app is not working today because guys some technical error have, and guys some technical issues have. I will show you how you can fix this problem. So first of all guys, you have this problem, then guys tell me in the comment box and let's start the video. So first of all guys, you have to press to here Reddit, and guys you have to go here app info. When you will clicking the Reddit and guys going the app info guys, now simply guys you have to click here data storage. Okay, let's wait here. So you can here see guys, let's click here guys restricted data use. Just click here. So simply guys you have to turn off and turn on these settings, and after guys few seconds you have to turn on these settings. Okay, this is guys the first solution. And the second solution is guys, you have to guys delete the Reddit app and simply guys reinstall the from Play Store. Okay, and go to Play Store guys, and just here see, search here guys Reddit app. When you searching the Reddit app guys, simply guys any update have, then guys you have to update the Reddit application from your Play Store. If they are showing any update, then guys simply go to and update the guys your Reddit app. After updating, now guys open your browser. Now guys I will show you the third step. What is third step? The open your browser, then guys simply search here guys downdetector.com. Then guys you can see here guys, I am in guys in downdetector.com guys. You can see in downdetector guys the Reddit interface, the Reddit status you can see here guys in downdetector. Many problem is there guys, and many people are facing this problem. You can see here guys, only not you facing this problem. So many users are the facing this problem in guys Reddit application. Reddit is not working today guys. Some technical error have in Reddit application, so that Reddit service is working on this. So don't worry guys, this is problem will be automatically fixing the guys Reddit application. So don't worry, many people are facing this problem. You can see in guys in down detector. Make sure guys wait for few minutes and few hours. After few minutes few hours, your problem will be automatically fixing and Reddit application is working. I hope guys this video is helpful to you. Otherwise, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Make sure guys, thanks for watching the video.